Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at Theta Network. Theta Network has had a great week. It has had a great month. We are waiting for Altseason, expecting to have a wonderful year. The last 1 month has seen all coins having double-digit gains across the board. Some all coins are leaders. How high do we expect Theta Network to go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We've had a very long and brutal bear market. We're seeing Theta Network dump from as high as $15, dumping to as low as $0.58, losing around 96% of its value. But all coins always have this kind of huge jumps in bear market, but what I like them is that they can recover and pump to higher prices. We've seen all coins like Solana have 90% dumps in this bear market. Solana is already up around 400%. So how high do we expect Theta Network to go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll take a look at the Theta Network US dollar price chart, also looking at Theta Network's performance against Bitcoin as we gradually leave Bitcoin season and Bitcoin month. How Theta Network perform when we get to Altseason and altcoin month. We'll also pay attention to Theta Network's market cap as it's pumping to higher prices. Can we see that market cap get to as high as $10 billion before the end of the year? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Greed has returned back to the cryptocurrency market. We were stuck with neutral sentiment in the cryptocurrency market for about 6 months, but the last 30 days has seen Bitcoin rally towards $35,000. The last 30 days has seen greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. Theta Network has gotten a huge pump. They've gotten a huge boost. We're getting ready for that big pump to the upside. And right now, you might not be seeing it on the chart, but guys, the structure is setting up for one of those crazy Theta Networks pumps to the moon. Take a look at what Theta Network did in the previous bull market. Theta Network was one of the altcoins you wanted to be holding because, guys, if you accumulated it from 23rd of March 2020 till the end of the bull market, in just 350 days, we saw Theta Network going up by more than 31,000%. That means $1,000 invested in Theta Network would have returned over 317x on your investment. For context sake, $1,000 invested in Theta Network would have given you over $300,000. But how high do you expect it to go in Altseason? Should we be expecting that kind of crazy pump before the end of the year? We're seeing Theta Network dump to as low as the $0.58 level in this bear market. So key levels to watch out for. The key levels where things will get crazy. The $1.6 level is where I expect things to start going crazy. The $1.6 level is where I expect doubters to start believing. Because, guys, when an altcoin start pumping from the bottom, we're going to have a lot of doubters. We're going to have a lot of naysayers saying, you know what, we're going to continue dumping to Goblin Town. This rally is just a fake rally. This is a disbelief rally. But immediately we cross that $1.6 level, things might get crazy, and things might get crazy very quickly. Now, if we get over that $1.6 level, we're not going to have a smooth ride to the moon. There's going to be a lot of obstacles along the way, and that's why we'll still be paying attention to the $4 level. But for us to rally to that $4 level from where we're currently trading, Theta Network will have to go up by around 462%. We've seen it rally up 14% in the last 1 week. We've seen it rally up 15% in the last 1 month. And even though Theta Network is down 35% on a yearly time frame, guys, Altseason is around the corner. Right now, we're in Bitcoin season. You might be wondering, what is a Bitcoin season and what is an Altseason? This is the performance of the top 50 coins over the last 90 days. Bitcoin is up 21.7%. So Bitcoin has been outperforming a lot of the altcoins. Guys, if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days, it's an Altseason. And the reverse is also the case. If we see Bitcoin performing better than those altcoins in a 90-day period, it's Bitcoin season. So the trick is to buy altcoins in Bitcoin season when Bitcoin is performing better than them, so that when we get to Altseason, we'll see that huge pump to the moon. And right now, against Bitcoin, Theta Network has been dumping to Goblin Town, losing 93% of its value in this bear market. Altcoins are very special. You can see them dumping to Goblin Town in the bear market. But when Altseason happens, you see that long dildo to the upside. You see them pumping aggressively. The last Altseason saw Theta Network rallying up by 2,600% against Bitcoin in just over a year. So how high do you expect it to go before the end of the year? 100, 200, maybe even as high as a 400% pump before the end of the year. will not be something outrageous. I still believe we can see Theta network maybe rally above $4, but the line in the sand where I expect us to end the year, I expect us not to be able to pass this level. Not for anything special, but just because a lot of market participants are going to be taking profit off the table. The $8 level, if we get there, that will be very, very wonderful. I'm sure by $8, a lot of market participants will be expecting all-time highs. New people that don't even follow Theta network, new people that were not here with us in the bear market, we're going to be shouting to the moon. They're going to be shouting kumbaya, and by then Theta network would have been up about 1,000%. That would be a sweet place to take some profits off the table. Remember, guys, you're here to make some money. You want to buy low, you want to sell high. You want to buy extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, and you also want to sell extreme greed. So over the next few weeks, I will not be shocked to see Theta network outperforming Bitcoin, also outperforming the US dollar. Let's take a look at some quick details about Theta network. The market cap sitting at $755 million. 24-hour trading volume has gone up by 525%. 24-hour trading volume sits at $98 million. We have a total supply of 1 billion tokens. Right now, we saw Theta networks, our market cap sits at the $755 million level. But guys, can we get to that $1 billion region before the end of the year? Can we see Theta networks market cap maybe get to as high as $10 billion? Crazier things have happened in the cryptocurrency market. From the $750 billion level, for us to rally to as high as $4 billion, for us to get to that magical $4 billion level where we see Theta network price trade around $4, we need to go up by 400%. I believe we're going to face a lot of difficulties when we get there. So even if we get to that $4 billion level and we get rejected, that will still be a very, very nice pump. That would have seen Theta network rally from the $558 million level. The market cap would have gotten to as high as $4 billion. That would have been a 600% pump. That's actually something to write home about. But best case scenario, if things get too crazy, if things get too outrageous, the highest I see Theta networks market cap getting to is that $7.6 billion level. Altseason is a wonder to behold. You want to be here when all coins are pumping to the moon. So where can you get some Theta network? If you want to get some, you can get some on Binance, on Qcoin, on Bitfinex, on BitTop, on OKX, Get.io, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. So why investors running to get some Theta network? Why do they expect it to have huge pumps to the moon? Because Theta network is a blockchain powered network purpose built for video streaming. Launched in March of 2019, Theta mainnet operates as a centralized network in which users share bandwidth and computing resources on a peer-to-peer basis. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Are you an accumulator? Are you still buying more, expecting higher prices? Or are you a bear? Is this a fake pump and you expect us to continue dumping to gobbling down? For us on this channel, we're expecting big pumps in the coming days and the coming weeks. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime we drop a new video and anytime we go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.